everyone should take this program because you made it such logic. So that's why I can follow your suggestion. You know what I mean? You made it such like easy to follow. Otherwise, I want against my instance if I think, oh, that is wasting time. But you teach us how to use different archetypes to make it make sense. You know, I need to do things make sense. Otherwise, I won't do. That's. I love you updating every year. You know what I mean? Like I feel I got something new, but you also have the experience. That's really helped me to trust this program. Also, you upgrade the Money Bootcamp and you made it so nice, all the videos. And I think that's really cool. And also, I want to talk about a little bit about payment plan. As an accumulator, I hate pay extra fees for those finance. So that's also helped me buy because I have the money to pay in full. I think I got it a deal for the others. Something like that. Yeah.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.